Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about a lot of bags. I mean, look at this huge box. It's not even fitting in the screen, but तुम्हें पता चलेगा that we're talking about a lot of bags. I think 10 to 12 bags we're talking in this video, and the best part is each and every bag is just under 750 rupees. So I wanted to make a budget friendly shoulder bag handbag video for you guys, and here it is. So without further ado, let's start the video. The first bag that I'm going to show you is actually this shoulder bag in quilted detailing, and it comes with this gold chain जो कि तुम एक shoulder bag की तरह भी carry कर सकते हो, and you can carry it as a sling bag as you can see the exact prices on screen. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. This it looks single pocket है इसका, and side में you're getting like a small card pocket, and पूरा अंदर जो brand ये एडिसा brand से है, तो एडिसा का पूरा branding है अंदर. But overall look wise देखे तो it's very simple classic bag. Like you can see how it looks. The best part is जो इसका finish है, that is matte, looks really classy, and for the price I think it's super cool. Definitely check this one out. Next bag that I have is actually super cute. I mean, if you're a Pinterest girly, basically you love cute and Pinteresty things, then I would highly recommend this crochet bag with like hearts made on it. This is like perfect for your beach vacations or maybe just a shopping day out, with the girls, क्योंकि काफ़ी बड़ा बैग है ये, but it looks really pretty. It's in crochet, so it's kind of different and it looks so cute. Like, absolutely love it. This one is I think for 699, and there are so many other prints in the same like crochet style. I'm gonna tag them below. If you are planning a vacation or you generally love tote bags, canvas bags, go for this one. I think it will make such a nice addition to your collection. Like, it's crochet, it's super cute. Absolutely love this. Next bag that I got is also like super classy looking. It's in this off-white and brown combination with like gold hardware detailing. This one is from a brand called Italish, so Italian and stylish का mix. But yeah, it's so cool. I feel again इसका भी जो belt है ना वो adjustable है, so you can carry it as a shoulder bag, which honestly I personally love doing that. This is one of those bags जो थोड़ा छोटे size में होते हैं, and it has like just a single pocket, and अंदर भी fall leather से इन्होंने finish किया हुआ है. Like, there is no brand का नाम or logo anywhere on this bag. So in case you are someone who doesn't like anything written on your bag or not even a branding, then go for this one. I just feel the combination is super classy. Like, off-white and brown is just very old school, but it looks amazing. Love it. Next two bags that I have are from this brand called Zook. Now you can see they are quite similar, like print wise. This is what they make, canvas and leather ka mix, plus a lot of Indian prints going on. And this is how the bag looks like. It's a really cute shoulder bag. I absolutely love the combination. Like, it's navy blue and brown, plus ये जो chain का detailing है वो भी काफी ज़्यादा cute लग रहा है. It's very bohemian yet chic, and this is the side pocket we have, and like a normal shoulder bag pocket, and इसकी bag पे भी you're getting a zipper. And yeah, this is so cute, guys. This is how it looks. The best part was that I got it in such a good discount. I think this was for 600 rupees or something, but the quality and the look of it is so chic. Like, absolutely love it. On a white, like on a plain white outfit, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait to style it. Next bag that I have from the same brand, Zook, is actually a wallet. So in case you're looking for like a big wallet to keep in your office bags or college bags, I think this one is it. Like it has a pocket on the back, and this is how it looks from the inside. It can store a lot of things. Like it has बहुत सारी कार्ड वाली पॉकेट्स है इसमें, एंड यू गेटिंग दिस लिटिल पाउच ऑल्सो, एंड बीच में भी यू आर गेटिंग लाइक अ जिपर. तो आई थिंक काफ़ी प्रैक्टिकल बैग है ये. To be honest, our moms would love it because this is like such a cool yet spacious, clutch नहीं wallet हम इसको बोलना चाहेंगे, but it's amazing because again the print is looking so cool. It's in the same combination, like brown leather with a navy bluish print, canvas print going on. So yeah, definitely check this one out. Next bag that I have is actually a big tote bag. You guys, this combination again, dark brown and beige, is so cool. So this is from a brand named Legal Bribe, which I thought was super cool. So this is how the front of the bag looks like with the logo here, and this is the back, and you are getting like a normal huge space here with like a side pocket, like a zip wala side pocket. And yeah, I think it's really good. Like iska closure में भी तुमको एक zip मिल रही है. It's not just your normal open ended bag, but I feel ये काफ़ी अच्छा है if you're like an office going girly, or even for college. It's so cool. Like it will store a lot of your stuff. Like इसमें लैपटॉप तो बड़े ही आराम से आ जाएगा, and like other things also. So again, highly recommend this. इसको तुम एक बार ठीक से देख लो, मैं हट जाती हूँ फ्रेम से. But this is so cool. Like the combination of it is super classy, simple, amazing. Love it. And इसकी bottom पे भी you're getting like these. This is what you get in expensive bags कि तुम्हारा बैग गंदा ना हो, सीधा नीचे टच ना कर जाए. So this is nice. Next bag that I have is this one in beige off-white color. Again, this one has like gold chains here, and this for your shoulder. You can carry it again as a shoulder bag, or maybe just carry it as a crossbody sling bag. This one is comparatively huge. Like if you compare it from other shoulder bags, this one has like a lot of space, and it's super pretty also, like the texture of it. And this is how you open it, and इसके अंदर तुमको दो compartments मिल रहे हैं with. And this is again from the same brand, Edisa. They make such cool bags, plus good quality bags, and super affordable also. So definitely check this brand out on Amazon. This bag is so cool, especially when you're traveling and तुमको कुछ chic looking भी चाहिए, but you need space also. This one is really good. Gonna store a lot of your documents while you're traveling, and some snacks, some makeup, like a lot of things. It's quite spacious and it looks pretty good as well. And usually जब हम travel कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें होता है कि कुछ easy to carry हो, accessible हो. And look at the detail of this chain. Like it looks amazing. And yeah, you can carry it as a sling bag as well. Absolutely love it. Next bag that I have is the cutest. I am telling you, this one is like पूरा ऐसा brown color में है ये. Look at the texture, and the best part is this vintage stamp वाला जो डिटेल है इसमें. like it's like a cute bunny here. इस तरह का इसका लुक है जो यहाँ पे इन्होंने very cute, very chic. Love the color of it. Again, you can carry it as a sling bag also. Like the chains are adjustable. I just love it so much. So in case you do not have a brown bag, definitely try this one out. But of course, if you like such cute things, I absolutely loved it. And the quality is also amazing. Like look at the texture of the bag. This is so cool. Alright, so we have two more bags left, which are actually very similar. I loved the pattern of it. It's so smart. Look at the color combination: black, military green, like whatever green this is, and of course beige. This is how you open it. इट कम्स विद लाइक एडजस्टेबल स्ट्रैप, तो तुम इसको स्लिंग बैग की तरह भी कैरी कर सकते हो एंड शोल्डर बैग की तरह भी कैरी कर सकते हो. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम द इनसाइड. दिस इज फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड एडिसा, बट द प्राइस पॉइंट इज अमेजिंग. लाइक एक्चुअली इनके बैग्स का क्वालिटी ना अच्छा होता है और दे लुक रियली नाइस. लाइक ये कितना शीक लुकिंग बैग है गाइस. ऐसा मेरे पास ना ऑल्डो का था, तो इट्स you can say that it's a dupe also because काफ़ी similar looking है and I loved it. like थोड़े fancy events में तुम इसका strap अंदर करके ना just इसको as a clutch भी उठा सकते हो. it's gonna look really nice. like it goes perfectly with this outfit as well. Next bag that I have is in a really classy combination like charcoal grey and black, और इसमें गोल्ड का भी बहुत मिनिमल यूजेज है. अगेन द स्टाइल इज सेम लाइक, बट इन्होंने यहाँ पे बहुत कम गोल्ड यूज़ किया है अनलाइक दैट बैग एज यू कैन सी हियर, विच आई एक्चुअली लाइक्ड क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिनिमल लुकिंग है ये. एंड इफ़ यूर समवन whose style is minimalistic, you're gonna love this bag. Comes with a strap which you can adjust, and this is how the inside looks like. पूरा branding है अंदर. I loved it because again it's super smart, super chic. Like I would like to carry it just like this without the strap or anything, but yeah, overall it's a nice bag and the quality is amazing and you're getting it in such a good price. This was it about the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which one was your favorite bag. I would love to know that. And yes, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video.